Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to multiply by e to the power of alpha s on numerator and denominator. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. So if we do first derivative for the both sides, we have alpha multiplied by e to the power of alpha s dx. Because we don't have alpha in here, so we divide both sides by alpha. So this one we change for u. This one we change for u. E to the power of alpha s dx we change for du over alpha. So we multiply by a on numerator and denominator. Next, we need to add about bu. That means we need to minus about bu. So this one divide by this one and this one divide by this one. So we will have about 1 over u minus b over a plus bu. Next, the integration of 1 over u, that's about ln of the absolute value of u. The integration of this one in here, that's about ln of the absolute value of a plus bu. And we put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.